take a look at this baby playmat that I was given so I could give you guys a review. Overall, I was really impressed with the quality of it, and the design is so cute with those little rainbows. I really love that it can go with so many different pieces of decor, and you can fold it up and store it when you need it. I really love that it was so easy to be able to just open. It has that vacuum seal, and it is something that you can just pop flat on the floor, and over time it will kind of settle. I love that it has grippies on the bottom so that it stays put on surfaces, and it has a zipper so that you can take the casing off and wash it because you know babies. So it is something that is just really easy to be able to use and clean and operate. So I love being able to have this with my singleton as well as my twins and be able to have that tummy time mat. I love that it is a nice thickness to it so that I feel comfortable when they're learning to roll and they kind of bounce around and bonk around. And I just feel like it's a comforting thing to be able to have and have that thick pad underneath it. It is really easy to be able to use and clean and just move it from different rooms. So overall, if you are looking for a baby tummy time mat or a play mat, this would also work really well in a large enclosed situation where you're holding your little ones with a little gate and keep it nice and comfy. I would definitely recommend checking it out.